Dark caramel sauce is a richer, smokier, and the flavor is much more complex with a nutty flavor and a slight bitter, burnt sugar taste. If you never had it before, let's change that today. We start with cooking up 3/4 cup of sugar over medium to medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes or until the sugar starts to melt and turn color. Now we're just gonna whisk infrequently until the sugar turns to desired color, which ranging from dark brown sugar to dark molasses. The darker, the smokier, the bitter, nuttier, the flavor will be more complex. You will just have to experiment yourself to find out if you like darker or lighter sauce. Just similar to roasted coffee or grilled meat, each person has their own preferences of doneness. Periodically scrape the side of the pan. If you want to make regular caramel sauce, then stop about right here. But I'm demonstrating the strongest level, so I let it go all the way to dark molasses color, which the sugar will start to smoke. This is where I will remove it from heat. You can place the pot to another cool burner. I don't want to move the camera, so I just lift the pot up and hold it for a bit to cool down until it's no longer boiling. Now we just add butter, some salt. Oops, I forgot to add the salt, but here it is. Heavy cream goes in, whisked until smooth. Turn the burner back on to medium, add sugar, stir until the sugar dissolves. Be sure to taste and add more sugar if needed. Then turn off heat, add vanilla extract for that sweet, gentle flavor. We let it cool down for about 20 to 30 minutes. Beautiful sauce, isn't it? Now pour it to your storage container, which glass jar is most commonly used. But I like to have a sweet bottle of caramel sauce always available, so here it is. Store in refrigerator for up to 2 months. Warm up by soaking in hot tap water or microwave for about 2 minutes at 20% power. Alright friends, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help out my small channel. Thanks so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.